Hello and welcome to my website. My name is Merritt Jones and I am a photographer. This website is created for my photography business, MJ Creative Works. Initially, right off the bat, I wanted to let people know that I am a photographer, but beyond that, I'm a creator and a designer. I do things beyond photography. To the left here, you can see different ways that someone can share my web page. As we scroll down, you can see this About Me section, which has a picture of myself and a little bit about myself. As we continue scrolling, you can see my trades. Initially, I wanted to make this website to house all of my trades, including sewing and writing. I will eventually go back and change this, as I want this to be just my photography website, I decided, throughout this project. Latest news will be where my most popular blog posts will be, and down here I invite everyone to join in on weekly blog post updates. Here again you can see a place where everyone can share my photography website. Next is the contact page. Looks like this. Anyone can contact me, and this is how. There's a little test to make sure that they are not robots, and here I changed the icons so that they would match my aesthetic more. Next is the photography, which I have a drop-down menu for. We'll go to the first part. This is my creative blog post, where I have photography based on different creative aspects. You can click on each and it will take you to those initial blog posts, and this will be populated more. At the bottom, I also installed a plugin that will allow my website to populate other links within my website to allow people to stay on with my photography. Next is the commercial side, where you can see my blog posts here, similar as the creative blog post. And then here is what my actual blog looks like. It shows the latest blog posts, and as you continue to scroll, you can see other blog posts. Last but not least is my store. Here are some images that people can buy that I will print for them. I understand that I need to put more descriptions here, and so that's something I will go and add in later. Possibly the hardest thing was trying to decide how I wanted to organize my website. Following the videos was very easy and enjoyable though. I'm grateful that I have this website set up, and I'm excited to use it in the future.